How to connect R36 to your PC to your laptop. This is how you can do it. Follow the steps in the video till the end and you will be able to do that as well. Use a USB-C cable. Plug a USB-C cable into the charging data port on the R36S. Plug the other or other end into a USB port on your PC. Make sure you're using a data capable USB-C cable, not just a charging only one. Turn on the device if required. Some R36S model need to be powered on for the PC to recognize them. If it does not show up on your PC right away, try turning the handheld on the after plugging in option from there. Now access the storage. Step 3 will be accessing the storage after connecting. Your PC should detect the device as a removable drive or SD card. Open the File Explorer or Finder to browse the files from there. You will typically see folders like ROMs, games, or emulators. You can drag and drop file here. Safely eject after use. Always eject the drive safely to avoid corrupting your SD card or firmware like that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.